You are still using old woodworking tools, and that might be costing you hours every single day. In 2026, woodworking tools have become insanely advanced, faster, smarter, and way more precise than ever before. Today I'm showing you new woodworking tools that will completely change how you measure, cut, and build. Some of these look unreal, and the first one is already a game changer. This is the DeWalt 20V Max XR Jig Saw, a cordless tool powered by a brushless motor for better efficiency and longer runtime. It delivers up to 3,200 blade strokes per minute with variable speed control for precise cutting. The built-in LED light improves visibility in low-light areas, and the dust blower keeps the cutting line clear. It also features a quick, tool-free blade change system and adjustable bevel settings for different angles. Wetal's corner clamp for woodworking is a set of 4 adjustable 90-degree clamps used for precise corner joining. It fits boards from 3/16 inch to 3/4 inch, perfect for frames, boxes, and DIY projects. Strong spring tension holds pieces firmly during gluing or screwing. Made from durable polyamide, it ensures long-lasting use. Lightweight design allows easy one-hand operation for quick and accurate work. Klein Digital Angle Gauge is a versatile tool used for measuring and setting angles from 0 to 90 and 0 to 180 degrees. It works as both a digital level and angle finder with easy zero calibration for relative measurements. The high-visibility display automatically rotates for clear viewing in any position. Strong magnetic base allows hands-free use on pipes, conduits, and metal surfaces. Built with V-groove edges, it ensures accurate alignment. IP42 rating adds resistance to dust and water for durability in job site conditions. Precision 3D multi-angle measuring square built from durable anodized aluminum alloy for accurate layout, marking, and measuring tasks. The hidden angle pin locks securely at multiple preset angles for stable alignment during woodworking and framing projects. Laser engraved scales on 3 sides provide clear and consistent measurements without repositioning the tool. Compact and multifunctional design combines measuring, scribing, calibration, and drill sizing in one portable woodworking tool. Saker Multifunction Scribing Tool is a compact aluminum alloy marking tool designed for precise woodworking and construction work. It features adjustable design with a pencil holder that locks for accurate measurements and layouts. The clear scale allows easy drawing of straight lines and arcs. Lightweight pocket-size body with clip makes it easy to carry. Suitable for multiple uses like woodworking, tiling, paneling, and furniture projects. Saker Contour Gauge is a shape-duplicating tool designed for copying irregular profiles with accuracy. It is ideal for woodworking, flooring, tiling, and construction tasks. The adjustable locking feature helps capture shapes tightly and keeps the outline fixed for precise marking. Made from durable ABS plastic, it is lightweight, strong, and easy to handle in tight spaces. Perfect for tracing pipes, corners, moldings, and uneven surfaces for exact cuts and fitting. Milescraft Tri-Grips are triangle work grippers designed for woodworking, painting, sanding, and routing tasks. The non-slip friction pads provide stable support without using clamps. They give instant stability on most work surfaces while keeping edges fully accessible for painting. The cone-shaped supports lift projects about 3 inches to reduce contact with wet paint or stain. Self-adjusting design helps maintain balance in different working positions for smooth and safe workflow. This Milescraft Drill Mate is a portable drilling guide that helps you drill straight or angled holes with high accuracy. It works with 3/8 and 1/2 inch drills and includes a built-in chuck for better control. You can set angles at 45, 60, 75, and 90 degrees, making it useful for different woodworking tasks. It also has a stable base for drilling on flat surfaces and round stock up to 3 inches. A practical tool for precise and clean drilling results. Built for accurate thin strip cutting, the Going Make Thin Rip Jig ensures consistent results on table saws, band saws, and router tables. It features a strong metal body with a smooth roller bearing system for safer and controlled feeding. The adjustable scale provides precise setup in both inch and mm, making repetitive cuts uniform and reliable. Nekomoku Edge Banding Trimmer features a precision V-shaped stainless steel blade for smooth and accurate trimming of wood, veneer, PVC, and ABS edges. Built with durable 420 stainless steel, it maintains sharpness for long-term use, while the ergonomic non-slip base ensures stable handling. Designed for both straight and curved edges, it delivers clean finishing results for furniture, cabinets, and DIY woodworking projects. Crafted with a flexible SK5 high-carbon steel blade, Japanese handsaw delivers smooth and precise cutting for woodworking tasks. Its double-edged design features 17 TPI for hardwood and 14 TPI for softwood, allowing clean rip and cross cuts with ease. The hardened triple-edged teeth improve cutting speed and chip removal, while the comfortable beechwood handle provides stable control for detailed and flush cutting work. Engineered for precise woodworking layouts, the Clark Brothers wheel marking gauge delivers clean and accurate line marking with its hardened steel wheel cutter. The laser-engraved inch and millimeter scales provide clear measurements for detailed projects, while the solid brass and aluminum construction ensures durability and long-term performance. Designed for smooth one-handed operation, it offers balanced handling and includes extra replacement cutters for extended use. Built for accurate chisel and planer blade sharpening, this sharpening stone and honing guide set provides stable and consistent edge restoration. The adjustable honing guide allows precise angle control, while the wide roller design improves balance and smooth movement during sharpening. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it supports long-term use and works with a wide range of chisels and planer blades for reliable woodworking performance. Designed for small woodworking projects, the Rockler Mini Deluxe panel clamps apply strong four-way pressure to keep panels flat and joints aligned during glue-ups. The rugged steel construction with scissor action pressure system helps reduce sanding time by creating clean, flush joints. Ideal for cutting boards, small panels, and frame and panel doors, the compact clamp set delivers stable and reliable performance while supporting panels up to 16 inches wide. Built for strong and accurate woodworking joints, the Craig K 4-pocket hole jig makes pocket hole joinery fast and efficient. Its adjustable drill guide supports materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch thick, allowing flexible setup for different projects. The removable guide and large clamping recess improve stability and ease of use, making it suitable for both workshop and portable woodworking applications. The Nyko 5-inch automatic center punch is a spring-loaded tool designed for accurate marking on metal, wood, plastic, glass, and leather. Its adjustable impact mechanism delivers consistent force for precise drill positioning, while the hardened S2 steel tip ensures durability on tough surfaces. The compact chrome-plated body offers corrosion resistance and a secure grip, making it reliable for consistent, controlled punching in various workshop and DIY tasks. Designed for safer woodworking, this push block provides strong grip and multidirectional control to help reduce kickback during cutting. The non-slip base improves stability while guiding workpieces through table saws, router tables, joiners, and band saws. Adjustable sliding design allows precise control for narrow ripping tasks, improving accuracy and safety. Easy to assemble and maintain, it is a practical tool for consistent and controlled cutting performance. The Metabo HPT 10-inch miter saw delivers powerful 15-amp performance with up to 5,000 revolutions per minute for precise and fast cutting. The Zact Cut Shadow line improves accuracy, while adjustable miter and bevel settings allow flexible angle cuts. Lightweight design and a secure clamping system make it easy to use, stable, and portable for woodworking projects. Reusable silicone brushes designed for controlled glue application in woodworking and craft projects. The nonstick bristles allow smooth spreading and easy cleanup by peeling or rinsing dried adhesive. A flat paddle tip helps reach tight joints with accuracy, while the ergonomic handle ensures steady control. Built-in rest keeps the tool clean during use. The Milescraft Sandit multi-surface sanding block features a versatile 4-in-1 design for sanding flat, convex, concave, and tight-edge surfaces with precision. Its quick-snap locking system allows fast sandpaper changes, while compatibility with any quarter-sheet sandpaper provides flexible grid options for different projects. Compact and easy to handle, it delivers smooth sanding performance across a variety of woodworking and finishing tasks.